Hi, in front of me I have CAT S62 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to update the apps on this device. First, we need to open the Google Play Store. To do it, tap this icon right here. Of course, to use the Play Store, you need to be logged in into a Google account on your phone. In the Play Store, tap on this icon right here and select My Apps and Games. And as you can see, we have 25 updates pending. We can tap on Update button next to one app. For example, let's update Messages. As you can see, it's downloading. Now it's installing. And after it's done updating, the app will disappear from the list and we will have one less on the updates pending. We can also update or rather queue updates for all of the apps by tapping on Update All button, but I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna take a while. Of course, you can update them separately by tapping on Update button next to the apps you want to update. And that's how you update the apps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.